How to enable AVX on Windows 10 and Windows 11. Now this tutorial is very easy and quick. All you have to do is just simply download the package installer. Now open up any preferred web browser you can use on your end, and then on your search box simply type in hwinfo. Now hit on download hwinfo on the second hyperlink, and then in here just hit on free download and then choose local US. Once you have successfully downloaded it, ensure that you followed all the on-screen prompts on the installation so you will successfully use it. Now this is what you'll get on your setup page. Just hit on OK, then hit on next, and I accept the agreement, next, and then install. Now you have to tick this box here that says launch hwinfo64 and hit on finish. And once you hit on that, it will automatically run on your screen. Just have to wait for a couple of minutes for them to come out. And what you want to do next is hit on start. Now close this small window pop out. So as you can see, AVX is already enabled. And that is how you enable AVX on Windows 10 and Windows 11.